Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. As of today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cloud Code with WSL on Windows. Using Cloud Code with WSL means you run Cloud Code inside the Linux terminal on your PC. This is useful because many coding tools, terminal commands, and project workflows work better in a Linux environment. Anthropic official supports running Cloud Code inside WSL and says you should install and launch it from the WSL terminal, not from PowerShell or CMD. So the first thing that you should do is to uninstall WSL on Windows. Literally just go to any browser that you have and literally search for WSL download. So this is the one. So how to install Linux. So just go ahead and download the source force here, WSL, that's one, or you can download it throughout the actual Windows installer. So you can go to your PowerShell and just write down this command. So let's go ahead, PowerShell, and download it just like that. Now you should give it configuration, etc. Give the administration powers, and once you did that, change the default Linux distribution install. So you should go ahead and do these two commands, and then you should set up your Linux user information, and that's pretty much it. Then you should update the Ubuntu. After installing, you need to restart your PC. Then open Ubuntu from the start menu, then create your Linux username and password, which is setting up your username. Once you did that, you update the Ubuntu by simply going inside of the WSL and writing down certain commands, which are these ones. That means I'll show you guys. So you have to do this one, and then install the basic tools that you need to be running on your WSL. And simply, once you have done that, just put all the folders related to your Linux and or Ubuntu users and configuration in a folder that the Cloud Code has access to, and yeah, you start prompting from there. So thank you guys a lot for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.